I used to judge people who commit suicide wrongly. And some of the things I thought about it was that they were selfish because they hurt the people they leave behind, and because I never understood it, I also thought maybe they're weak, or maybe the problem was too big to deal with, like maybe it had to do with sadness or financial strain and all of that, but things that could be solved. And until I went through it myself, until I went through depression. I was diagnosed with depression, and for the first time in my life, I could not control my mind. And I started understanding why people say things like, I just want it to end. I just want peace. You know, going through something like a bad financial time, or things just not going well in your career or stuff like that, or sound and look like things that just could be solved. But it's something else when your brain turns on you, like being like a prisoner of your own brain, and you in there and you wish you could get out, but you can't. And for the first time in my life, I just understood why people think it's a solution. And yesterday I had a moment where I was walking out the gym and I was just happy, man. Not that everything in my life is 100%, but I was in such a euphoric state, just happiness. Like, I was just happy. And I was like, damn, I never thought that I would feel this at any point in my life again. Just thinking back to where my mind was and how trapped I felt, and the fact that I just felt like there was no ending to this prison. And for me personally, I turned to Jesus because I did not want to take medication. And it wasn't an overnight success or victory. It took time. But to find myself today in a place where I'm free, I love my life, I've let go of the concept of control, and I just take each day as it comes, and everything is just so meaningful. I just wanted to share that because there could be someone out there going through it right now. I just want you to know that as much as it seems like it'll never end, as much as it seems like you are trapped, as much as it feels like there is no solution to what you're going through, it'll pass. And I just want you to hold on to that. I also don't want to make it too spiritual, but 100%, if I had to give my testimony, I would say Jesus is the answer. He's the pill and the antidote. But I want you to take this. It'll pass. You are going to be okay. You're going to be fine. You're going to heal. the best days of your life are ahead of you and not behind you. You're loved, you're important, you're appreciated so much that you could never understand. And I just want you to hold on. One more hour, one more day, one more month, one more year. I love you.